Hello my friends, today we will learn a new sound. It's the sound. Say with me, like an egg. That's my turn. And that's your turn. One more, that's my turn. And that's your turn. What's the action for sound? Pretend to crack an egg. Hands together and crack. Like this. Crack. That's my turn. And that's your turn. One more. That's my turn. And that's your turn. Now, let's try some words together. The first word is egg. Egg. Elephant. Elephant. Elf. Elf. And 11. 11. Which words start with sound? Egg or cat? That's right, egg. Now let's write on the 4 lines. For the capital okay, we have here 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the capital start from line number 1, go left, down to number 3, and go right. Okay, and put your pencil on line number 2 and go right like this. So what is sound? Sound. One more. Line number 1, go left, down to number 3, and go right on line number 3. And put your pencil on line number 2 and draw a line from left to right like this. For the small put your pencil between line 2 and line number 3. Draw a line like this, up to number 2, round, and down to number 3. Okay, one more. Draw a line between 2 and 3, up, round, down to number 3. That's right. Okay, now let's put with other sounds we already learned. Okay. T. Together, et. S. Et. Set. P. Et. Pet. Et. Together, net. Okay. P. Together, ebb. P. Ebb. Peb. T. Ebb. Tab. Together, n. T. N. Ten. P. N. Pen. Plus K for cat, K for kite, together, ek. 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 Neck. P. Ek. Back. Okay, let's read them together again. Et, et, set, p, et, pet. Et, net. P, ep, p, eb, pep, t, eb, tep. N, t, n, ten, p, n, pen. Ek, ek, neck, p, ek, back. All right. Well done, my friends. Today we learned the sound, and we also learned how to blend it to make new words like it, net, ben, ten, neck, and so on. See you next time.